Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a table in Google Docs without lines. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browsers. Then open your Google Docs apps. Then create your document. Now you can see here are my blank document. Now I make table in these documents without lines. At first, you have to insert a table. Go to insert menu. Then you can see here are tables options. Now draw your tables. Now write anything. Now move these tables to middle of this page. Now write anything on this table. Now write anything on this table. Now write numbers. Now select these tables to drag on your mouse, then go to border color drop down menu. Now choose white color. Now you can see I make a table in Google Docs without lines very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for